Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to find second largest element in the array. So the rule is we should not use, without using two loops and without sorting, friends. So let me explain how I am going to implement this logic, friend. So n equal to 5, that means I am taking only 5 numbers, friends. And what is the list, friends? 10, 50, 30, 60, 40. What the second highest element, friends? 50 is the second highest element. So I am expecting 50 as output. So what I am doing is I'm not using two loops, just I'm using only one loop, friends, because I want to iterate from 10 to 40, right? So there is a reason I'm taking one for loop. In that, I'm assuming that I'm taking two variables, say integer max equal to 0 and integer say second max equal to 0, friends. So initially I'm assuming that max is number is also 0 and second max equal to 0. Then what I will do is I'll compare this max with first I'll compare with 10, friends. Okay. Now if condition is true, then what I will do, I'll enter into this loop, and I'll take second max. I'll assign max value to second max, friends. Then I'll take max equal to 10, friends. Okay. Else, so what I will do, so in this case, what is happening? Less than 2, it is true, right? So we'll discuss else later, friends. Now I am taking second time. What will be happen? 10 is done. 50, friends. So what about the max value here? Here max equal to, now not 0, equal to 10, friends. So what about second max? Second max equal to 0, friends. Now in this case, second iteration, 50, friends. So it is not 10, it is 50. Now I'm comparing max with 50. What about max value? 10 is less than 50. Condition true. Then what I will do? I'll move max value to second max. And what about 50? This 10 will be replaced by 50, friends. What about else loop? Else loop we'll discuss later, friends. So second time, what will be happen, friends? 30. Now I'll compare. What about the max value, friends? Max is 50. Then I'll compare 50 with 30. So 50 is less than 30 or not? No, friends, it's false, right? So now I'll enter into the else loop. Okay. Here what I will do is I'll check else. One more condition I'm taking. If this max element is not equal to the array element, friends, yeah, 5, and second max should be less than, yeah, 5, friends. So this is the logic I am going to implement. In this case, what will be happen? What about the max value? Max value is 50 is not equal to a of, what about this 30, friends? 30. Condition true or false? True. Then what I will do? I'll check another condition. What about the second max? Second max is 10 less than, what about max element, friends? 30, friends. So now 30 will be copied into, I'll take second max equal to, yeah, 5, 30, I'll take it, friends. Now, what about second max? Yeah, 30, friends. So next time, what will be happen? 60 will come, friends. So what about max value? Max is 50. Now I'll compare here 60, friends. Okay. Now condition true or false. What is the meaning? Max is 50 is less than 60. Now 60. 1 minute. Max less than 60, so condition true, right? Then what will be happen? I'll move max value to second max. What is the max value? 50. This 50, what I will do, 30 will be replaced by max value, and we have to store 60 into max, friends. So next time what will be happen? Here max value is 40, sorry, max value is 60 is less than 40, friends. Last value I'm comparing. So here condition true or false? False, right? Then what will be happen? I'll check the condition here. What is the condition? What is the max element? 60 is not equal to a of last element is 40. Condition true or false, friends? Condition is true. Then what I will do? And next, second max is 50 is less than a of I. What is that value, friends? So 40, friends. Condition true or false? Condition is false. So what I will do? I'll uh, I'll come out from the loop and I'll display the max value. So second max equal to, what is it? 50. So you'll get 50, friends. In this way it will be executed. So if you have any doubts in this logic, please let me know in the comment section, friends. and let me go to implementation part. Here already I have taken second max class. I have taken one main method, friends. So already I have taken some list of values. Instead of reading n value from the keyboard, and instead of reading n value from the keyboard, and instead of reading these values from the array values from the keyboard, friends. So what I am doing is just I am taking two variables, friends. What are those? Integer, say max equal to 0. I'm assuming that maximum is 0, and integer I'm taking second max equal to say 0, friends. Okay, I'm not taking anything, just I'm taking one for loop. Why? I want to iterate the array. So integer I equal to 0, I less than length, right? So a dot length I am taking, friends. 1 minute. Yeah, it is taking some, yeah, length. Yeah, and I plus plus, friends. Here first what is the condition, friends? I am comparing make max with to a of I. First element I am comparing. If it is true, what I am doing here, I am moving max element to second max element, and what I am doing, if max equal to a of I am taking, friends. So else I am taking one more reference. Else if, what is that? uh, Max is not equal to the array element, and second max is less than a of I, friends. Then if it is true, then what I will do, I am moving array element to a of I. Okay, that's it, friends. Come out from the loop. Here just I am displaying system.println. What is it? Second max. Let me show you, friends, the output. So 50 you got it, right? So what is the first highest in this list? 60 is the largest value, and 50 is the second largest value, friends. So if you want to test more number of different numbers, you can change the input here and you can test it, friends. And that's it, friends. And still, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And one more thing, friends, these also asked me in one of the interview, and they are expecting the program like this. So I tried to implement the logic, sorting, and I displayed, but they asked me without using two loops and without using sorting. They asked me, so I have developed the logic like this, friends. Okay, thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.